Hi, I'm Amar. I have created this utility website for revenue potential, the assignment which I get, and AppealForge is the website that I have created. It's a free tool that turns a health insurance denial into a formal evidence-based appeal letter. So you can download it as a letter as well. Once it's generated, you get a copy to be downloaded as a PDF, and you can get the copy to edit, and you can download that edited PDF. So this tool also has AI integrated in it. Claude Anthropic API is integrated. This website is also SEO proof, and analytics and revenue plan is also covering each part of this website. So yeah, let me take you to the next thing. So this is the home page, and let me take you to the guide section. Basically, these are the three guides how you can use this website, and basically these are the small blogs telling you about the details. This also helps us for the SEO part, and we have some quick FAQs as well. And this is the main form that we'll be filling up, and this is the section for the advertisement, how it works, why people use AppealForge. These are the four things built around your denial reason. Whatever the reason you will be filling there, it will build on that. Cites your real appeal rights. So it will check all the references available for the Affordable Care Act or ERISA or any kind of an law. We need to check it out. So it will go and check free and instant and private by design. So we will not be storing any kind of your details. Yeah, these are some guides and some FAQs. So basically, there is some about page as well, and this is the insurance denial appeal letter template that we are having here. These are few of my basic details which we have used, and it's generally a free tool. The user pays their denial details, whatever they get. There are some two examples also. If someone needs to use it, they can just simply click it. So this is the thing. Once we click one of the example, so it takes very basic details like your name, your insurer, the plan type, the procedure or service denied, the reason for denial, and anything else from the denial letter you want to paste in. You can click, and you can select also whatever you need to select from the detail, like standard or enhanced. Let's say I click enhanced and I click on general appeal letter. So this is the still drafting. So our API is going back to the Claude, giving up the details to Claude and generating the response that we require to get a perfect meal or a perfect letter that we require. So this is the appeal letter. The patient completed required step therapy. These are kind of things. And this is the detail. So you can edit these, any these of the details. So let's check the letter. Dear Anthem Blue Cross Blue Shield Appeals Department, I'm writing to formally appeal the denial of the coverage for Humira prescribed by the rheumatologist, physician name and MD, for the treatment of my rheumatoid arthritis. The denial state that steps therapy requirement. This is the letter that is completely written and sincerely enclosure. And this is the it. We can download or copy. We can download the PDF. Let me download it. So this is the PDF I got, and the letter is ready to be sent. So basically, this is the thing. Just fill up the details. All the research, all the things will be going in the back, and it is made up of Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and some of the things. If someone needs to get in contact with an expert, this part is connected to Superbase, so we can store all these details. And this is the AdSense sync and Anthropic API, which I have already mentioned, and Vercel is deployed, and this is the URL. Yeah. So for the SEO implementation part, we have implemented JSON LD for organization website or web application. How to an FAQ pages can work, like articles and breadcrumbs can also have work in that thing. The access is safe. JSON LD component is also available in Next.js. The sitemap is automatically generated. So we just need to set up the Google Search Console, and everything will be auto fetched through that. and that's how that whole SEO part done. The analytics we have next third party Google analytics. So Google ID need to be added so that we can see like what type of events we can track, like appeal started, appeal completed, download PDF, copy letter. So where the user getting stuck, where the user is dropping. So that kind of analytics we can add. And the revenue plan is very basic. We have already added that in the config site.ts. So AdSense is the very first thing, the highest CPC vertical it is. So insurance and health are among one of the top of it. And then we have the affiliate. The helpful resource block recommends patient advocacy service, health plan comparison, and medical bill negotiation. And then we have the lead generation, the highest value one. After generating the letter, as you can see, we have a lead and that we can derive to, and it persists in Superbase. So we can store those details and we can help the user to get the correct things that it requires. So that covers all the 5 parts of the brief: landing page, AI tool, SEO, analytics, and revenue plan, all built on Next.js 16 with Superbase and Claude. Happy to dig into any part of the code or the architecture design things. And I just want to show you a little about the code also. So this is the basic uh, things I've done. API is an API. The about page will come here. So we have an app router. So basically that is the part. And then we have guide where we can show on the details. And the landing page looks like this. The landing page looks like this. So this is our landing page, and each of the component follows some global basic rules, that dry concept and 200 lines. So that is also one of the thing. And we are having all the components here, and we are managing everything here. Yeah. So thank you.